Hello everybody, and welcome to the second video in building the typewriter with the flowers. So as you can see, we are, at this point, we have the basic part down. We even have this part that slides from left to right. So, last time, we left off on step 19 to make sure this is accurate. Okay. You're looking at this, and then this. Looks fine, okay. And now, let's get some paint blips like this to open this up. Okay, you need one of these. And one under that. And then one of these. Okay. Now we're going to need 2 layup pieces that are the color gray. Okay. Like this. Okay, we did need one more of those. Oh, here we are. I guess I'll put the pieces I'm about to use over here. But we also need 2 chair pieces. Chair. That is 1. And, and I just gotta pour it out. Sorry, man. And this is 2. Now going over here. Okay. I think they're all evened out. We're gonna put it right here. And turn it the other way. And put this piece here. Oh, that piece fell. I think I wasn't putting it hard enough. Now, that right here on the end part. And same here on this end part. Okay. After that, we're gonna put these 2 layup pieces here and here. Okay. And now that was step 20. Gotta probably write that down. Okay. And now on to 21. We're just placing 2 of these right here. Wait, what? Oh, right here. Okay. Okay. And there we are. Yeah. Let's place it this way, I guess. Now we then need some handholds right, these, 2 of them, and then some green pieces in this bag. And it's just going to be a binocular piece. So we are going to place this here on top of that, and one right here next to it. To try to make sure it evened up. Here we are. And now we're gonna put it right here. Yeah. Okay. Looks good on this end. Oh, and this part is the tool for a lot more pieces actually. We're gonna need 2 of these. Okay, 2 of 2 of these. 1, 2. And then some ramp pieces. Right. These. Oh, and here we are. Okay, and now these are gonna go right here, right here, right here, okay? And then on the other side, there we are doing the same thing. So that would be this goes here, this here, and this goes here. Bam. Okay. Now we are going to need some of these. Okay. And now we are going to need 2 of these. Come on, no, nope. Different area is needed. This and this. And now we are gonna place them right. We are gonna place them right. Shit. Well, a whole bunch of pieces just fell there. Okay. Now we are gonna need some black pieces. Like in this baggie, but I know which one it is. Right here. Okay, now we get one of these. Actually, 2 of those. So, here we are. And now we are gonna place this right on top of here. Like this and this. And there we are. Okay, and now these two pieces are going to go here and here. Okay, now come to these two, going here and here. Sorry, that was my phone. It vibrated. Then take two of these tone. Okay. Here. And here. Okay. And now it will go here and here. Okay. Okay. Ooh, you're gonna be starting on a whole new part here with this black piece and oh wait, hold on a moment. Sorry everybody, I was minorly interrupted. But don't worry, because I am back. But I am also back with the word of the day, which I will give you after this step. Okay. Okay, now, everybody, the word of the day is apricity. Apricity, which means the warmth of sunlight in the winter. This is not a very common word. It's apparently very archaic, and it is from the 16th century. So, yeah. You, feel free to use that word however you want. I wouldn't use it in a dinner conversation. Nobody there know what you're saying. But, yeah. Use that however you will. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't really know why it went out of fashion. It could be because, maybe, there wasn't enough sunlight in winter for it to be a needed word. That was actually one of the harder words to say. Okay. And now we are going to need these. That go here, and this right beside it here. I know it's black on black, so you can't see it very well, but hopefully the light reflects enough. We then need some serious white colors, such as this, which will go in the middle here. Okay, then here, and then here. Bam, and bam. And now we are just going to need two of these curved rectangles. Okay. Placing them both here And here. Now taping these two items. This and this. Okay, I don't really know what part of this is going to be. And maybe, maybe we will find out by the almost end of this video. Okay, there is, here we are. We take one of these. Now we put this on top of here, I believe. Okay. And now this is gonna go here. Okay, but now we are also going to need some paint. Which would be this piece here, which will be placed right here. Okay. Yes. And of course, two black colors, which will be right here and right here. Okay, yeah. So, is it weird that I don't like my social, not my social communication teacher? I like her. I don't like my speech therapist. You know, the person who helps kids learn how they like speak normally when they have like a lisp or something. Is it weird that I'm okay with her at our speech appointments, but I don't like it when she starts teaching my class, right? Because every, like, I think there's a block day, but today she came in on Friday. And she does that every once in a while, and I don't really like it. Like, whenever she comes, it feels even more like the kindergarten class than it already did. Okay. This is the right spot, right? Yeah, no, it is. And we were supposed to put one of these right here, but I forgot to do that. Okay. Now putting this here and this here. There. Okay, so I think it's pretty obvious that these are the piano, not piano, why did I think of that? Typewriter keys. These are the typewriter keys. Now we grab one of these, and it will go up here. Come on. Yeah, okay, there, it fits. Okay, and now we're gonna have to put a bunch more keys on the thing. I might as well just take all the buttons out of the bag. Just to check the picture. And I'm going to quickly fill all of them in here, 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 and here. Dude, imagine if they had like a whole bunch of stickers and you would have to put them all on like And you would have to put all the stickers onto like the keyboard. Can you imagine that? Oh, I would hate that. Okay. So here's a fun fact. I actually have like an old-fashioned keyboard. I think it's in my closet. It's pretty unnecessary, so it just stays in there all the time. I mean, you don't really know the usage, and like, I'm not even gonna start like maintaining it when it gets broken and stuff. And you know, the way you have to write with it is that like, you have to keep typing on P's if you like want a letter to be readable, because it's old and we haven't replaced the ink or anything, so it's still like old condition. But anyway, we just have to put this here now, and we just need one more red piece and then we'll be done. Come on. Are you ready? Ready? Aha! I found it. Okay. There we go. And now we are going to connect it right now, which I think would be like the best place to end the video on. So we're gonna put this. How about I'll do it this way and I'll turn it around. Okay. Put the right here? Really? Like that. Oh. Well, I mean, it seemed to be harder to take out than to put back on. So, here we are. Look at this baby. Okay, and it looks like we have ended the video on a pretty good stopping place at 41. Okay, and I will see you guys next time.